Hello, welcome back for the 12th and final pose of the Sivananda 12. 12 basic Hatha yoga postures that you can just do in the morning for 10 minutes to really work through the entire body. And at this point we have come down all the way through the spine, all the way through down into the legs and coming into the feet, and that almost grounding feeling of standing work. So we are going to start standing for Trikonasana or triangle pose. So coming into triangle pose, just take a look down at your feet. The back foot is kind of at about a 45-degree angle to your mat. The front foot is facing straight forward and the heel might be in line with the inner instep of your back foot. So just take a look down at your feet, see how that feels for you. And then just gently start rotating into the hips so you can feel that the rotation as you open and close the hips. And raise the arms up to shoulder height. Look along the middle finger. This comes into your Trikonasana, and just reach long over that front arm as you create space into the side of your body, and release the arm down to wherever it feels comfortable. It might be comfortable here, here, or here, and you can also use a block. Let me just take one of those. So you can also place a block down onto the mat. And maybe the hands rest against there. And then you can start by just holding onto that back hip. Really ground through that back foot to the outer edge of your foot. And open up through the side of your body. Maybe the gaze goes up towards the sky. And maybe that top arm raises. Think about the wrist being in line with the shoulders and the underneath wrist. So if you take the block away, try not to use the hand to support onto the calf. You're using your own core strength and that lift within the side body to keep yourself lifted in that Trikonasana fold, and the hands reach away in opposition from each other. So the upper hand is reaching upwards, the lower hand is reaching downwards. You're really open through the front of the body. And there's full engagement within the legs, breathing nice and deeply as you rotate through that top side of the body, the armpit, the chest, the rib cage. And the gaze can come straight forward or down at the foot. Nice and slowly press into the feet, inhale as you come up to standing, and then turn the feet inwards and go straight to the other side. So again, using that block should you need to. Feel grounded through the feet, check the feet placement. Inhale, the arms come up. Just work into those hips a little bit to flatten off across the front. Reach long over that front arm, create the space, and then exhale. The hand comes down to wherever it feels comfortable. Again, taking your option, either it's here, but think about that alignment within the shoulders and the wrists. And again, just maybe holding just the lower arm down. Draw in through the abdomen as you rotate through the body, through the torso. Imagine you're between two panes of glass here. Nice deep breaths as you hold the pose. Nice and slowly press through the feet, inhale, bring yourself up to standing, and then just gently return into Tadasana, mountain pose.